The Rubik's Cube is an iconic 3D combination puzzle invented in 1974 by an architect and inventor Erno Rubik. The magic cube shall represent the exhibition's message. Only 4 faces of the cube shall be used to present the different aspects of social technology. Solve the cube to discover the secret within. The cube shall be situated outside the exhibition and can be viewed from a viewing area. The visitor will be able to rotate the installation to identify clues of the exhibition. The box placed next to the rails is for young children to view the middle and upper levels. The Rubik's Cube's installation relates to how the exhibition will be divided: past, present, future and technology. These faces will be on the 4 sides of the cube. By solving the puzzle, faces will be created representing the different sections. A 1:5 concept model was produced to ensure the idea was feasible. 2mm clear acrylic was the chosen material to build the main structure of the cube. 3 individual box sections of the cube were made before being mounted on a pole, allowing them to rotate separately. The brief required an I, A, D or S to be included within the structure. The chosen letter was an I, standing for information. The pole through the middle of the cube represents this letter. The whole installation is an interactive information centre. A stop-motion video was created to illustrate how the model is assembled. By making a stand for the model, it allowed illumination for LED lights to be mounted within the surface below each corner of the cube. When researching materials originally, coloured acrylic was the preferred option because of the coloured reflections. However, due to the high cost of the product, this would mean the installation would exceed the £150 budget stated on the brief. The alternative material was to use transparent glass paint. This material also allowed colour reflections to be produced for a much cheaper budget. This image shows the comparison between the acrylic and the transparent glass paint. It clearly illustrates that the materials both produce vibrant reflections when LED lights are shining through. The LED lighting also has a secondary benefit, displaying colour during the evening for the passing commuters to view and interact with the structure. To make this model for the May 2015 end-of-year exhibition, the materials required would be 2mm clear plastic, £25 per sheet. For the model, we would need 3 sheets. 6mm MDF, £10.89 per sheet, and for the model it's 2 sheets. A wooden pallet, which would be free from a local building yard, down black pipe at £6.09, and 45mm transparent glass paint at £3.50 a pot. For the model we would need 5 colours at £17.50. 4 LED light bulbs and bulb holders at £15, an electrical cable, power plug, nails and screw and glue coming in at £10. The MDF would be used for the internal sections to reduce costs, and the wooden pallet would be used to mount the lights in, equaling a total cost of £145.37. Different materials, however, would be required for the 1:1 permanent structure located outside of the German Gymnasium exhibition. This is because of the outside weather conditions, people's safety, security and everyday practicalities. The centre shaft would be cemented into the ground with anchor bolts for extra support. The lights would be wired under the ground and a bearing mechanism would be fitted between the 3 layers of the cube to allow easy and safe spinning. So why was the Rubik's Cube chosen to create this assembly? The structure relates to the past section of the Inner Mind of Social Technology exhibition, illustrated how iconic gaming can be recreated with fun, new methods. By having an interactive installation outside the exhibition attracts people over and allows them to have a sneak peek on what could be within the German Gymnasium. The important thing about a problem is not its solution, but the strength we gain in finding the solution.